Hello French learners. Welcome to Sam's English to French Lab. Here we use 5 golden formulas to make learning any topic easy and effective. The first is learning, where it all begins, building a strong foundation. The second is listening. Tune into the language's flow and rhythm. Then repeating. The more you repeat, the better your pronunciation and confidence. Fourth is thinking. Train your brain for effortless, automatic speaking. Finally, practicing. Practice makes perfect, helping you lock in your skills. By following these golden formulas, you'll progress in no time. So, let's get started. Alright. We're going to learn step by step, starting with the sounds of the letters, and then moving into words. And here's the secret. Your pronunciation will already start improving, but only if you participate. So don't just listen, repeat after me and really practice your pronunciation. Ready? A, avion. A, avion. B, ballon. B, ballon. C, citron. C, citron. D, dinosaure. D, dinosaure. E, escargot. E, escargot. F, fleur. F, fleur. G, girafe. G, girafe. H, hamster. H, hamster. I, igloo. Igloo. J, jouet. Jouet. K, koala. Koala. L, livre. Livre. M, maison. Maison. N, neige. Neige. O, orange. Orange. P, pomme. Pomme. Q, question. Question. R, rose. Rose. S, stylo. Stylo. T, tortue. Tortue. U, uniforme. Uniforme. V, V, valise. V, valise. W, W. W, wagon. W, wagon. X, X. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y, Y. Y, yaourt. Y, yaourt. Z, Z. Z, zèbre. Z, zèbre. Awesome work so far. You're doing amazing. We've covered the alphabet and lots of new words together. Now it's time for a fun challenge. Can you name these letters in French? Look at the letter and say the answer out loud. Let's see how many you can get right. Here's the first one. Ready? D. Good job. Can you name this letter? K. Well done. What is the French name for this letter? H. Great. Keep going. What about this? T. Excellent. All right. The next one. W. You're doing amazing. Try this one. What's the French pronunciation? E. Well done. What about this? R. Good job. Can you name this letter? G. Fantastic. All right. The next one. J. Great. Keep going. What is the French name for this letter? U. Excellent. What about this? B. Great. Keep going. Can you name this letter? P. Well done. What about this? Y. Fantastic. All right. The next one. Ah. You're doing amazing. What is the French name for this letter? L. Good job. Before we go further, if you're learning something new and enjoying this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. Alright, let's continue. Next question. Can you name this letter? F. Great. Keep going. Here is the next one. M. Fantastic. What about this? Q. Excellent. What about this? X. You're doing amazing. Can you name this letter? O. Well done. What about this? E. Excellent. Can you name this letter? N. Well done. Here is the next one. Z. Fantastic. What about this? V. Great. Keep going. What about this? C. Well done. Last one. Can you name this final letter? S. Amazing. You did it. How many letters did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. Write superhero if you got full marks, or champion if you scored less than 26. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.